Hi, this is Queen again, Head of Customer Success here at AEvent. In our previous video, I've shown you how to create your timeline action. On this video, I'll be showing you how to upload your media and how to connect them to your timeline actions. Now, why does this matter? Before your campaign can go live, you'll need to upload the media that powers your event. This might include your presentation video, a voicemail audio file, a speaker photo, or a branded image. In this video, I'll show you how to upload your files and exactly where to connect them in your campaign. So first, let me show you where to upload your media. Just have to click on media here on the left-hand side menu. And this is where you'll see all your media files. You can see here your images, your videos, your audio, and if you have nifty images, you'll see them here as well. Now, if you want to upload a media, you just have to click on upload media here from the upper right. You can either drag and drop down your files, or you just have to click on browse and select the media you want to upload. Once uploaded, your files will show a status indicator while processing. You'll know they're ready once the status changes to completed or encoded. Now, this is important. You need to make sure that your file is set to completed or encoded before you use it. The supported formats include MP4 for videos, MP3 or WAV for audios, JPG or PNG for images. So let me show you where to connect your media once you have successfully uploaded them. Let's go back to your dashboard. First, we need to open the campaign where you want to set your media. So click on campaigns, open the campaign you'll be using your media file for. For automated, like live, and recorded events, this is where you'll select your video file. So event info, and then click on edit, and then select the video file you want to play for your event. Once you're done, click on update at the bottom. This is the file that plays when your event starts, whether it's evergreen, like live, or replay based. Now let's look at timeline actions where you can attach your media files. So for example, you will be sending a ringless voicemail. So let's create an action for that. Set it to a minute before. There you have it. We want to send it to registrants, so we'll be using slide broadcast for this action. Just have to select deliver VM message, select the audio you want delivered to your registrants, and indicate the phone number where the ringless voicemail will be sent from. Once you're done, you just have to click on create at the bottom. This is the ringless voicemail that will be sent to your registrants, and you have to make sure that the file itself is already encoded. Make sure it's uploaded first so you don't get any errors. For images, let's say you want to send multimedia messages. Let's send it an hour before your event starts. Let's send it to registrants. Let's select Twilio. Let's send an MMS. Select your media file. Let's select an image. Select the media. And then type in your message. Select the phone number you'll be sending it from, and click on create. So you can use uploaded images in dynamic content blocks, confirmation pages, or waiting room visuals, all set within event info or advanced page settings. For pro tips, as I continue to remind you throughout this video, upload your media before attaching it to actions. It will save you a step later. Use clear file names so you know what each asset is when selecting it, and double check the format. Incorrect files won't be processed. That would be all for uploading your media. In the next video, we'll walk you through on how to set your event and registration settings, including form setup, confirmation page routing, replay logic, and more. We are now one step closer to launching your campaign, so I'll see you on the next video.